always right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be.
Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be.
Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. When the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer. Let it be.
And though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they